To successfully integrate Afterpay with Bigcommerce, start by understanding the benefits of this integration, which allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. First, ensure you have a Bigcommerce store and an Afterpay merchant account. Begin the integration process by logging into your Bigcommerce dashboard and navigating to the App Store, where you can search for the Afterpay app. Click the Get App button to install it. Then follow the prompts to connect your Afterpay account to Bigcommerce. During the setup process, you will be asked to configure your Afterpay settings, including specifying which payment methods to offer and setting up any applicable fees. You can also customize the Afterpay payment option to fit your store's branding. Once the integration is complete, test it by going through the checkout process as a customer would. This ensures that Afterpay is working correctly and that customers can successfully complete purchases using the payment plan option. To optimize the integration, consider marketing the availability of Afterpay to your customers, as it can increase conversions and average order value. You can do this by adding a banner to your store's homepage or including information about Afterpay in your product descriptions. Best practices for Afterpay Bigcommerce integration include clearly communicating the terms and conditions of Afterpay to your customers, ensuring that your store's pricing and product information is accurate and up to date, and regularly reviewing your Afterpay account to monitor sales and customer payments. By following these steps and tips, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with your Bigcommerce store, providing your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option that can help drive sales and growth for your business.